Do you want links you copy to open automatically in Open Browser app? In this video, I will show you how to enable copied link auto detection on the Open Browser app step by step, so copied URLs are instantly recognized and ready to open. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Open Browser app, as you see here. In this page, this first page, as you see, you will tap on the sign of me or profile. Then here in this window, you will find this feature of copied link auto detection. So you will click here, or you will tap here to enable this feature in that way, as you see. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.